In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Excel data and charts into Word. Before we begin, make sure you have the Excel workbook with your chart or data open and the Word document where you want to place it ready to go. Having both files side by side makes the process smoother. Start by selecting the chart you want in Excel. Click once on the chart so you can see the selection border around it. Then copy it. You can right-click and choose Copy, use the Home tab and click Copy, or press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. If you're working with a range of cells instead of a chart, the copy action is exactly the same. Just drag to highlight the cells first so you're getting the exact content you want. If you began somewhere else, switch to Excel to double-check you copied the correct item. It helps to confirm that only the chart is selected, not the worksheet behind it, so you don't paste any unintended content later. Now move to your Word document and place your cursor where you want the chart or data to appear. Go to the Home tab and click the Paste button. This will drop the content into the document. Immediately after pasting, a small Paste Options button typically appears near the bottom right of the pasted object, and you can also open the main paste drop-down on the ribbon if you prefer. From the paste options, choose Keep Source Formatting. This is the key choice for maintaining the original Excel look. It preserves the chart's colors, fonts, number formats, and layout exactly as they were in Excel, which is ideal if you've set up a specific style or if the design needs to match a report or presentation standard. If you don't see the options pop up, click the little clipboard icon that appears next to the pasted item, or expand the paste drop-down in the ribbon and select Keep Source Formatting there. After pasting, you can resize the chart in Word by dragging the corner handles to keep proportions intact. If the chart doesn't sit where you want, use the Layout Options icon to choose how it wraps with text. For tables pasted from Excel, consider auto-fitting the contents so everything is legible on the page. That's all there is to it. Copy in Excel, paste in Word, and choose Keep Source Formatting to retain the original design. With this simple approach, your reports stay accurate, consistent, and professional without any extra formatting work.